competitors like Money, Quick and Simplify, or EveryDollar, which focus heavily on automatic bank synchronization and tracking past expenses. The primary distinction lies in how transactions are recorded. Many modern apps automatically link to your bank accounts via Plaid to pool and categorize transactions in real time. In contrast, Goodbudget maintains a strong focus on manual entry, particularly on its free tier. While manual logging requires more active effort, proponents argue that typing out every purchase creates psychological friction and deeper awareness of spending habits. However, higher tier plans do offer bank syncing options for users who want automation. Another major point of comparison is account sharing. Goodbudget is specifically optimized for couples and households, allowing multiple devices to sync against the same shared budget seamlessly. Apps like Honeydew also target couples with shared visibility and chat features, whereas apps like YNAB focus heavily on a zero-based budgeting framework that forces every single dollar to be assigned a specific job, backed by extensive educational workshops. Cost and accessibility also separate Goodbudget from the pack. It offers a genuinely permanent free tier, though limited to 10 regular envelopes and a single account synced across 2 devices, making it accessible for beginners who want to test the envelope method without financial commitment. Most high-end competitors require paid subscriptions or steep annual fees after a short trial period. Ultimately, if you want hands-on control and hard spending caps, Goodbudget is a strong contender, whereas automated tracking apps better suit those who prefer a hands-off approach to data entry. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.